Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And on this font, it appears that there is some contoured outline in a different color. And the only way I know how to do this, we're going to make a duplicate, hit the plus key on the keyboard and move that over. We are going to we're going to left click, right click and get an outline. And then we're going to try the contour tool. But you see that nothing's highlighted. So we can try to group it. And now we get a highlighted. We're going to contour at 0.0 or 0.1. Now just take that contour tool or take that contour, get your color fill, smart fill, and set on gray, and then just nudge it over. Now you would need to do the same thing to the inside if you wanted the inside like that. And you could have it quite a bit less. We could have contoured quite a bit less. And let's go 0.05. Just give it a little bit. You don't have to break the contour apart. You can actually just move it over. And I think that's going to look better on the 0s or the O's. But that's how I would do it to kind of match that font a little bit better. And just for instance, this roof would be really easy to clean up and make it, you know, to me, the shingles are going this way. The shingles need to be going this way along the roof. But if this is their logo, then I would just leave it. It just, you know, it's got some spots in there that could be cleaned up. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.